How are the children given names in your country? People following different religions and faiths follow customs and traditions of their own religion while giving name to their children. In Hindu and Sikh religions, priests give an alphabet and the name of the child is given by starting with the alphabets given by the priest. A religious function is arranged on the occasion. This function is called baptism. In all religions, some people choose the name from the books available on the topic in the market. Do you live in your own home or in a rented accommodation? We live in our own home. My father God constructed this house 10 years ago. My father does not like to live in a rented accommodation. That is why he got constructed the present house we live in. Which amenity of life do you wish to have in near future? My parents have arranged many facilities for us, but I would like to have my personal computer in my room. As a student, a PC will be very useful for me. Through the internet, I can avail myself of the opportunity of getting the latest and complete knowledge of any subject. I can chat with my cousins who are living in the States. Can you tell me your attitude towards life? I am an optimist. I look at the positive and brighter side of life. I personally believe that we should be up and doing. Nothing is impossible in life. What is needed is the sincerity towards our duty. If we lose, it should be taken boldly with the aim of converting it into gain. Which are the most important moments in your daily life? Important moments in your daily life. Personally speaking, I give importance to each and every moment of life, but the time that I consider the most important is the time I spend with my family. My father has made it a habit to dine together. At the dinner table we sit and discuss so many things after our dinner is over. These are the most precious moments in my daily life. Do you do something for charity or social welfare? Yes, I do something for social welfare. I am a member of the Florence Society Welfare Club. We arrange something for the socially deprived people. We organize some campus where free medical checkup is provided to the poor and the needy. We make a contribution of rupees 100 rupees per month. Secondly, we give free coaching to the poor children. Provide them books and notebooks. Can you tell me something about your place of work? I work in an office or factory. There are 50 employees at my working place. All employees are very nice and cooperating. At lunchtime, we share together in a hall and share the food items. We sit together in a hall and share the food items brought by different people. It is more of a community lunch than a simple lunch. This the most important time in our office. Everybody works very sincerely in his or her capacity. Can you tell me something about your college or school? I am a student of dash school or college. It is one of the best colleges or schools of my city. It is known for something. It is known for grooming the children to make them true human beings. It has excelled in academics, sports and curricular activities. I am proud of my college or school. Why did you choose your present career? I have chosen this career because I like it very much. Before joining this profession, I consulted many expert people and then assessed my own liking only. Then I choose this career. According to me, my present profession gives me full satisfaction and status. It offers me an attractive salary or pay package. The most important thing is that you can maintain your integrity in this profession. Why did you choose your present subjects? I had to study many subjects up to my 10th class. Some of these subjects I did not like at all. At that time, I decided to select these subjects. I am very fond of these subjects. If I put my heart and soul in preparing my favorite subjects, I am sure I can make a mark in my life. These subjects will help me in getting a better placement in my life. Would you like to change any item of your daily routine? Why? Answer is yes, I would like to change my habit of sleeping after lunch. No doubt it is very difficult to leave this habit, but even then I would do my best. Even the doctors advise that sleep after lunch is very dangerous for health. It can cause obesity, indigestion and heart problems. That's why I have decided to leave this habit of mine. How do the people of your age spend their free time? Different people have different styles of spending their free time. Mostly, the people of my age spend their time in listening music, watching TV, and roaming about in the evening. Some of them go to the gardens to keep themselves fit. How do the senior citizens spend their time in your locality, city or state? Senior citizens have to adjust themselves to the changing environment. They spend most of their time in attending to the domestic chores like paying the bills, fetching provisions, and attending to the requirements of their grandchildren. In the afternoons, they go to the public parks and meet the people of their own age and discuss their problems. What type of hobbies are favorite with the people of your age? The people of my age have so many hobbies. They are fond of watching TV, playing video games, listening music, surfing on the internet, and roaming about here and there. Only a few are interested in traditional hobbies like gardening, stamp collecting, etc. Do you think hobbies are useful for human beings? Yes, hobbies play a significant role in human life. Life becomes a boring affair without any pursuit of hobbies. They add charm and meaning to our life. They provide the best and durable ventilation to our stresses and strains. Many times hobbies lead to a whole-time profession. What is your favorite dish? I have no aversion for any dish, but my favorite dish is dash. This dish is easily available in any part of my country. It is very nutritious and tasty. It does not take much time to prepare this dish. Moreover, it is not a very expensive dish. Almost all the members of my family like this dish very much. Can you prepare any dish yourself? How? Yes, I am very fond of preparing kheer. First, a small quantity of rice is taken and washed. Then this quantity of rice is soaked in water for about 30 minutes. In the meantime, milk is heated and the soaked rice is put in milk. Milk is put on gentle heat and kept boiling for some time. Rice and milk are stirred again and again till rice gets mixed up with milk. Almonds and other things are added to taste. This is how I prepare kheer. Thanks.